Creative Chrissy here. Today is day 11. No, it's day 12 on my 31-day declutter challenge to myself. Excuse me. Yesterday I was busy in the garage, so I didn't get to do one. So today I'm decluttering the living room. So I got this all straightened out and dusted. I had an old hanging file folder thing I bought at Target for $13 that I wasn't using, so I put all my video games in it and controllers. So now they're all nice and neat. Corralled all my CDs and got them where they belonged. I always leave it this way, I don't mind. These are my state plates that are going to be going to my booth. This is all the stuff I found underneath my couch. A pair of missing socks that I've been looking for. My utility tray for muddy boots. And some shoes I was missing. So next I'm going to declutter my coffee table. Because as you can see, it is a hot mess. Woo, is it a hot mess. So I gotta clear it off. Throw out the magazines that I'm not reading. So today's challenge is to declutter the living room. Probably rearrange those books. This is going to the antique booth. My little kitty is going to the antique booth so that this can all be cleared off. It's sewing that I have to do. But other than that, it's pretty good in here. I need to get this straightened out. My little elephant's going to go in the booth. I love them though. And I think my gnomes need to go outside. I don't need gnomes on my family table. So I got to switch out some pictures. Clean this. Because this is the center of the home. And it's a hot mess. Really yucky mess. So how can I bring more into my life when my life is so crammed with crap? There's no place for it to go. And then I got my beautiful plants. They're going to go in the junk room, which will be tomorrow's challenge. Part of tonight's challenge too. Because I'm trying to get all this done so I can get into there and put the shelves up. But there you go. Creative Chrissy. Wish me luck on decluttering. And then when I open up the video for the day 13, I will put the final results of my living room. Alrighty. Please like and subscribe down below, and have a fabulous day. Bye.